This is how you edit a Blue Book citation of a statute. You can tell that this is a statute by recognizing that USC in this context is the abbreviation of the United States Code. Thus, Blue Book Rule 12 applies, including any relevant subrules. Rule 12.1 and Table 1.1 state that the abbreviation for the United States Code should include a period after each letter, so this citation is missing the periods. Rule 3.3b states that when citing multiple sections, use two section symbols. So another section symbol should be added here. This rule also states that when citing scattered sections, separate these sections with commas. So this ampersand symbol should be replaced with a comma. Rule 12 states that the date of the code edition cited is optional if citing to the USC, but this date is incorrect because there is not a 2019 edition of the USC. The USC is published every 6 years, and the latest edition is currently 2018. Rule 12 states that citing the official codes is preferable over electronic databases. If you copy a citation out of Westlaw, you may notice that it reads as USCA with West inside the year parenthetical. And if you copy a citation out of LexisPlus, you may notice that it reads as USCS with LexisNexis inside the year parenthetical. These are two examples of citations to the commercial electronic database versions of the USC. So in most cases, even if you find a section of the USC using Westlaw or LexisPlus, you can draft the citation to reference the official USC. Lastly, there is a C signal for this citation, which is correctly written. We have now finished editing this citation of a statute.